Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the text to your video on the InShot application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on this video button within the create new section. Then select the video you would like to edit and then click on the text button down below, which is the fourth option. Here a text box appears on the screen in your video, and you have the chance to type in your text into the text box, and here you can make changes. You can set the color, you can add the background, you can set the border of it, you can add shadows, you have the chance to adjust it on this slide down below, you can add labels, set the opacity on this slide, and if you click on the double A button in the middle of the screen, you can also set the font. Then you can make it bigger and adjust it to the screen, do the alignment, and also add the loop to it. And you can make it fade in and out. And if you are done, click on the check mark icon on the right side in the middle, and then you will be able to place it within the video. Here you can see how you can move it, and when you are done, click on the check mark icon on the right side. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.